Hi, and welcome to Eric Blackmon Guitar. In this one, I'm going to show you what I consider a funk guitar masterpiece. Person to Person by the Average White Band. The guitar is tuned standard E-A-D-G-B-E and will be playing in the key of C sharp minor. Now for this song, we'll need to vamp on a C sharp minor 7 chord like this. To play that chord, we're holding down the D, G, B, and high E string at fret 9. Then we're going to bring in a finger to the D string at fret 11 and the B string at fret 12. Now we'll play another form of that chord in just a few minutes, but we're going to play this one with that high B out front. And we want it to sound something like this. Okay, so we've got this. So we're going down, up, up, down, up, up, down, up, down, up, up, down, up, up, down, up, like that. Now as we vamp that chord, we want to throw in a riff that sounds something like this. So it's going to sound something like this. 2, 3, 4. In order to play that riff, we're going to start at fret 11 on the A string, go to fret 9 on the D string, fret 9 on the G string, and hammer on to fret 10. Back to fret 11 on the D string, fret 11 on the A string, fret 9 on the D string, and then N on 11. So then we'll play a C sharp minor 7 chord at fret 9, starting from the D string down, strumming downward, like that. So here it is. 1, 2, 3, 4. One more time. Now we'll do it a second time, but we'll change the riff just a little bit. We'll play it this way. So when we hit that B note here at fret 9 on the D string, we held it like that. So here that is again. 1, 2, 3, 4. And here's what it'll sound like in the recording. Now while that vamp is going on, there's a second guitar part which is very easy, and it goes something like this. So all we did there was we held down that C sharp minor 7 right here, played it once, then we go to a double stop on the low E and the A string and play this. Now I played that at fret 8 and fret 7, 8 on the low E, 7 on the A string, and just play it and slide it up by 1 fret. Like that. So it's so 1, 2, 3, 4. In the recording, it sounds like this. Well, that's what we'll play during the verses. Now we'll play a very cool chord progression for the chorus. And here it goes. 2, 3, 4. Now we'll start that with the C sharp minor 7, just like that. And that was down, up, down, up. Then we'll go to a double stop on the A string and D string at fret 6 and fret 7 and raise it by 1 fret. Just like that. We're only playing the A string and the D string. Then we'll go to the C sharp minor 7 chord again. Just like that. So it's, and that was an up strum. Then we'll go to another double stop here on the D string and G string and raise it by 2 frets. Like that. So then we'll go to an F sharp 9th chord and play this. Now our F sharp 9th is here. We're holding down the D string at fret 8 and the G string, B string, and high E string at fret 9. We're going to raise it by 1 fret to a G 9th and then a G sharp 9th. That's F sharp 9th, G 9th, G sharp 9th. And that's here's the entire thing. 2, ready, play. Now the next thing that happens is the song modulates. We'll play through everything again the same way we just did, but then we'll move everything up by 2 frets. We started here at fret 9. We're going to move everything to fret 11. Like that. It starts with an up strum, like this, then goes into our strumming pattern. Play our riff the same way. Next, we'll go to the chorus. And when we do the chorus, we'll do everything the same way we did it before, but we'll start here at fret 11. So it's and here's what that will sound like with the recording. Well, all right, my friends, that's how I play Person to Person by AWB on electric guitar. Thanks for stopping by, and have a great day.